Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty, so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you are getting my latest video. So guys, it is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls. So guys, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, beautiful shoulder bag, beautiful colors, beautiful crochet pattern, most demanding collection, most likely collection. Beautiful ideas. Some are beautiful crochet strap style, leather strap style, wooden handle, metal handle, chain strap style, pocket style, zipper style, different colors. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. And you can carry this handbag with matching your dresses in any party like college, birthday, uni function. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Bye bye.